Welcome to how to use wired headphones and Bluetooth headphones at the same time. You can use this method on your desktop or laptop. First, I connected the wired headphones to the computer. With this setup, you enjoy music or movies with friends at the same time. Or change the way you listen with different types of headphones. After connecting the wired headphones, I connected the Bluetooth headphones. After completing the connection for two different types of headphones, follow these steps. Use Set Stereo Mix as default in the Recording tab. Next, you set up the Bluetooth headphones as the second listening device. Once completed, you can enjoy the sound on both wired headphones and Bluetooth headphones. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.